If you are a student and you are still paying for these premium tools, you are missing out. In this video, I'm going to show you premium tools students get for free, including AI tools, design tools, developer tools, and engineering software. I'll show you the exact website, how to sign up, and how to verify as a student. So make sure you watch till the end. First up, head to the Google Gemini Pro website. Google Gemini Pro is Google's premium AI and it's completely free for students. You get access to Nano Banana image generation, which allow you to create AI images for projects and presentations. You also get unlimited file upload, so you can upload PDFs, documents, or notes. There's personal exam prep, where Gemini can explain topics, solve questions, and help you revise. You also get deep research tools for assignments and projects. Access to Gemini View 3.1 for video generation and tools to convert your notes to audio so you can listen while revising. It even helps with homework, writing, and exam prep. Basically, Google Gemini becomes your personal AI study assistant. Plus, they give you a massive 2 terabytes of Google Drive storage, which is more than enough for schoolwork, videos, and backups. So you can go to the home page, click on Get Offer. You see that it's free for students for 12 months. All you need to do is to verify that you are a student with your student ID. And next, this is probably the most important one, is the GitHub Student Developer Pack. You can access it through this URL, so you can follow along. This pack gives students thousands of dollars worth of premium tools for free. Even non-technical students can benefit from it. You get Canva Pro, which is useful for everyone, not just developers. With Canva Pro, you can create presentations, designs, social media graphics without paying and without watermarks. You also get free domain name to build your personal website or portfolio. GitHub Copilot to help you write code faster. Cloud credits like DigitalOcean to host websites and applications for free, and many front-end and back-end tools for students learning React, Python, Node.js, and more. To sign up, go back to the home page and click on Sign up for Student Developer Pack. Use your student email. For example, my school student email looks like this: your matric number at students.unilorin.edu.ng. Once you enter the email, GitHub automatically detects its links to your school. You may be asked to share your location to confirm that you are on campus. If you are not on campus, you can simply explain the reason. Maybe you are on holiday or on break. After that, you'll be taken to the verification page where you can upload your student ID, admission letter, or other school documents. Once approved, you get access to everything in the Student Developer Pack. Another useful tools you get for free is Perplexity AI. It's perfect for research, writing papers, and getting accurate answers. Perplexity Pro acts as an AI research assistant that even cites its sources, which is perfect for academic work. You just sign up using your student's email and verify your student's status. Next is Figma for Education. With Figma for Education, students get Figma Pro for free. You just need to sign up with your student's email. I'll log into my account now to show you. With the Pro plan, you get unlimited project team, collaboration, and advanced design and prototyping tools. We can design mobile app, websites, and even presentation. For example, I used the Make feature in Figma. It's kind of like a coding AI. I typed my prompts and in a few seconds, it generated a fully functional fashion website for me. For designers, UI UX enthusiasts, or anyone who needs to create prototypes, wireframes, or brainstorm with diagrams. Figma for Education gives you the entire professional plan for free. We can also exploit the Figma community to access free tools and templates for your designs. For engineering and technical students, AutoCAD is also free. With AutoCAD, we get access to professional CAD tools used in real industries for drawing, modeling, and technical designs. You just need to sign up and verify using your student's email. And finally, for programmers, JetBrains tools are free for students. This includes PyCharm, which is perfect for Python development if you are serious with coding. These tools make your work faster, cleaner, and more professional. Those are some of the premium apps students can get 100% free. AI tools, design tools, developer tools, and engineering software. If you are a student and you are still not using this, you are leaving a lot of opportunities on the table. If this video helped you, like the video, share it with other students, and subscribe for more related content.